Yep, we gotta put batteries in.
Yeah, and this, and the things we should
Yep.
have. Like, I'm gonna blast them.
Are you a roboto?
No, I'm a silly roboto.
Mommy! Mommy! Hey, Mommy, can you hear me? This is my Helium voice.
Hi, Sweetie Fellas! Welcome to Kids Adventures with Sweetie Fella Aleks.
Hey,
Hi,
Alex.
guys. We have roboto like Ryan does, except we have the different little pins.
So we received from MiBro, your
And
robot.
thank you, because
partner.
now we finally have him to be best friends. And
This is gonna be your best friend.
And he can play hide and seek together. Like,
So-
he will say, how I say in the morning, where's Daddy? He's gonna find him.
Wow.
Like hide and seek.
I don't know if we can
Even
do it.
Mommy. First, we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna call him.
What are you gonna call him, Alex?
Yeah, him.
Well, here are its futures.
Migration.
You can talk through him and be the bot using the Really RAD Remote and voice changer. Wow. You can
I
go
would
on a
call
spy
him
mission with him on stealth mode so he can spy and listen for you. Ooh, he can spy on us, Mommy.
Yeah.
Trick, prank, and surprise your friends with tons of silly noises and sound effects. He can be your robotic butler.
I can
He
wake
can
you
use
up
his arm and tray to deliver you snacks. Wow.
I'm gonna turn him on in the morning and tell you what to do in 5 minutes.
Yeah, we can't wait to open him up.
Yeah.
And it came with
And then
batteries
we're
already.
gonna play hide and seek with him, and you're gonna look somewhere. Where are we? At the house.
Look, you got 4 really rad accessories that come with it. The goal and the ball and a mini giant foam hand, a
And
blaster, and a serving tray. He can bring you snacks.
Yeah, like a real snack. How I
So
say.
you're gonna be able to spy on us. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that, he brought him a cupcake. And a goal. You can prank people. This is super cool. I'm
I like-
excited about it.
Well, but can he do silly jokes?
I'm sure he can.
I was gonna ask him, can you do silly jokes?
We will ask him.
Oh, it comes with the remote control, yeah.
Yep, we gotta put batteries
Yeah,
in.
and this, and the things we should
Yep.
have. Like, I'm gonna blast them.
Are you a roboto?
No, I'm a silly roboto. I got this out. Here's the remote control and this. We might need batteries.
We have batteries. They
Good.
sent it with it.
What? I'm so excited.
I am too, Alex.
You know,
I think this is gonna be
I
a toy
cannot
for
wait.
both of us.
If you know what?
What?
Instead waking me up at the morning, you can like open the door and go with Roboto, open my door and let Roboto try to find me instead of waking me up for school.
Okay.
He can do that. I know he can do that. You guys gonna open the door and then Roboto's gonna find me. That's all. This is a different Roboto than Ryan's. You know why? Because he's this white Roboto. And we have a different. We're gonna first test these things out. Outside.
I think you got what is righty tighty, lefty loosey.
There's an airplane over there. I am Roboto. I am about to play hide and seek outside. What are they doing?
Yo, what's up?
Hi. Hi, Roboto.
Okay, let's get sneaky.
Okay.
Okay, let's get sneaky.
What do you want to do then?
Okay, let's get sneaky.
Huh? What do you do then?
Okay, so we got the batteries into the MiBro Really RAD robot.
And we're gonna have to show you stuff and what it can do.
Oh, he can dance. You got a dance partner now. You can put it in sports mode, Alex, and let's put the
Go
goal
to
up.
mommy. Go to mommy, Roboto.
Go to mommy.
Get the ball
Get the ball.
and shoot it at the goal.
How?
By steering him. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, he missed. He missed. He missed. He missed. One more time.
I'm number one. I'm number one. Now that's what I call teamwork.
He didn't shoot the goal. Dude. Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh. Okay, ready? Ready? Wait. Go. Yay! So you can do robot voice, helium voice. Oh, this is cool. Look. So, when you put it like this, and this is gonna be helium voice. Hi. Hi. How are you? Alex? Hi. Mommy. Mommy. Hey, Mommy, can you hear me? This is my helium voice.
You have to take out the sticker actually.
Oh.
And there's light. His eyes lights
Oh,
up.
wow. I didn't know that. Now let's do,
No,
this is...
the handprint.
Okay, we'll do the hand in a minute. Let's do robot voice. This is my robot voice. Hello, Mommy. I am a robot. Roboto. Alright, we can hear you.
Let's try this.
He's gonna bring you candy. This is how he can bring candy to Sweetie Fella Alek. Look at that. Your own personal butler. Would you like a Tic Tac?
Yes, sir.
Would you like a Tic Tac? You dirty virus.
Now, Daddy.
I come in peace.
You come with me? I don't think
Get your hands up, you dirty virus. I come in peace.
so. Your digital best buddy is gonna play hide and seek with you. Bye, everybody. Whoa, Tic Tac. Whoa.